This is a tutorial video of how to replace your battery-operated smoke alarm. I've made a video about this a little bit before on my second channel, but it was terrible. So I'm going to make it better this time. So, as you can see, I have an old smoke alarm right here. We're going to replace it with something new, like this right here. So you're going to need your smoke alarm itself, your mounting base, which should have came with your smoke alarm, and your screwdriver. And that's basically all you need. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open this up however it opens, or twist it off depending on how it's made, like its mounting base or stuff like that. Then you want to unscrew these screws. And there you go, it's come off. You get rid of it. And then you want to take your new mounting base right here, and then you want to slide it over the screws, and then you want to give it a twist till it's aligned with the wall. And a way to indicate that is you could use these lines with the letter A underneath. Might be indicated, it might not. Some alarms have it, some alarms don't. And there you go. Make sure it's nice and firm. The next step you want to do is take your new smoke alarm, put it on its mounting base, and this is a lithium sealed model, so you want to twist it enough to turn the alarm on. You should indicate by a chirp or a sound. You should hear something when you turn it on. The last step you want to do is test your alarm to make sure it's functioning properly. So what you want to do is press this.
Testing. This is very loud. Press now to cancel test. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And now it's going to test for you.
Fire. Test complete.
And there you go. It was a really simple tutorial. Like, it was easier than a hardwired smoke alarm. So if you have a battery-operated smoke alarms, could probably be much easier to replace them with other battery-operated smoke alarms. And people note, do not replace a hardwired detector with a battery-operated smoke alarm. Make sure you check your smoke alarm's expiration dates. A lot of them expire every 10 years. Carbon monoxide alarms usually expire every 5 years. So look out for those. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a like. And I'll see you guys in the next video.